Subscribe to support and click on bell icon to get all latest notification and
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your Abhilash back. Today I'm gonna make an unboxing of this Xeon Stylo phone, which is a basic phone uh, where it says it comes with 4.50 centimeter display, which is 1.8 inches, which is a color display, and it comes with 800 milliampere battery, dual SIM, digital camera, and expandable memory, and the multi-language support, 500 contacts, 200 SMS, and it says multi-format support. It's for the video, like 3GP videos and MP4 can be played on this, not high-end videos. And it has some game additional features: game torch, mobile tracker, auto call recording, and it has 22 language and SOS facility. So I'm gonna make an unboxing of this, and I'm gonna show you the bill for how much I bought this. Before that, guys, I request you to help me. I need your continuous support. If you have still not yet subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. Click on the bell icon where you will get all the latest notification and help me in uploading more and more videos. And if you have already subscribed, kindly please do comment and help me in, please provide me your suggestions so I can improve my videos and upload. So let's come to the point, guys. So this is the product, the mobile. So this is how the package looks. This time I didn't buy it from online store. I bought it from a normal retail store. It provides 12 months warranty and customer support number, like 800 service center all over India, and it says a certified company, which is 9001 2008. And here comes the MRP, which says 890 rupees. Actual price of the product 890. And I'm going to show the invoice at the end. And let's open this box. So I have already opened the seal. So this is how the mobile looks, and let me show you what all this is how the mobile looks, and it has got dual SIM, one memory card slot, and there is one touch over here. It's like normal, quite decent phone, a mid-range phone. So let's see what's inside the box. So here comes the battery, which is similar to Nokia's like CL or a BCL battery kind of thing. And here comes the charger. This doesn't come with the headset. It's a micro USB charger. And few warranty and like user manual, that's for this. So let's keep this apart, and let's come into the mobile. So it's a little hard to open this back cover, and let me just put this battery and see how it's. I'm gonna just turn on this. So it has got the branding over there. It says StarZ Stylo, the model name. We just peel out this sticker. So it's quite decent, guys. So here comes the touch. So this is the touch, one button option where you can just hold this and you get this touch. And it's like the normal mid-range phone, like the basic phones which you get. So it's a pretty good one. And I forgot to tell you the price which I paid. So I paid 750 rupees. So he told me it is for 800, but like 850, but I did some bargaining, and I bought it for 750, and I bought this in Bangalore. The total amount was 750. So this was the price. Like wherein if you're looking for the like normal simple phone for like temporary purpose, or if you like wanted to like, I bought this phone to give it to my father because he's not familiar with the smartphones. So I bought him the basic phone. He just wanted a phone which he can receive the call and disconnect the call. So this is the best phone. So wherein he keep on dropping his phone. So every like 4 to 5 months, I have to buy him a new phone. So this is the best phone. So this was an like unboxing of this particular phone, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like, support, subscribe, and help in uploading more and more videos. And thank you so much, guys, for watching, and thank you for your time. Thank you. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video.